Hello, I'm Katja of Trendease International, and we have curated the stand at HP for Heimtextil. Here we are in the Cosmos room from Elli Popp. Elli Popp likes to hide a lot of messages in her designs. While the room is all about exploration and influence of Jules Verne's travels, in this eco-leather poof that we see down here, it's all about plastic pollution. So if you look closely, you can see things like a six-pack is strangling a turtle, or there's a little boy swimming in plastic debris, or little seals that are unfortunately covered in plastic, or a bird swallowing a bottle. But it really shows you how detailed you can get with digital print, and it also is a catalyst for change, talking about different things that are affecting our planet. Another example of one of her designs is all about space pollution, where if you look closely you can see how the garbage is flying all around the planet. And if you follow me in here, into the next little nook, we have more of Cosmos. You can really see how using a silver metallic substrate makes the space sparkle. And if you notice, we've actually taken wallpaper and turned them into light discs. Here this design is all about save the bees. We have another one that's about oil pollution. So lots of different topics to raise awareness here. And then we also have rainforest eco-leather cushions. Lots of inspiration for a bar nook, for a lounge, for you to see here at HP.